Everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. Well, today we are here to do palette bingo number 24, and we're also going to talk about palette bingo number 23, which was the Too Faced chocolate gold palette. So we will review that a little bit, and then you'll see some pictures, and then we will cross it off the list. I also did another look that had nothing to do with the palette bingo palette, but they are still shadows that I had to use up. They're older than 2022 or older, and so I still need to use them. So I did create another look with some other shadows, and I'll show you that. All right, guys, let's just go right to the wheel and see what palette I have to work with. So we have another Too Faced palette, Cinnamon Swirl. But I think this is really, really appropriate, right? It's baking, it's this time of year, so it came in right on time. All right, let's look at the colors. There you go. Very same tone. Look at that. Look what's back. Does it have the same name? Food Court. That one's Food Court. Is it the same shadow though? Let me see. I'm curious. Than the one in the Too Faced chocolate gold. Let's see. No, it's a little bit different. This one's more magenta, the Cinnamon Swirl. See them? But gosh, a little deeper. The Cinnamon Swirl's a little deeper. I was just curious because, yeah. So let me just watch that one. So this one's probably more magenta than the other one. All right, you guys, let's go to the wheel and see what foreshadows we are going to be working with. All right, guys, let's see what we're going to work with. Lick the Spoon is one. Lick the Spoon. Okay, right here. Lick the Spoon. Whoop, trying to block you guys from the light. Okay, Lick the Spoon. Flower Power. Oh, okay. Up here. Flower Power. Right there. Okay. Love the Bun You're With. Oh. Okay. Goodness gracious. I can't get away from these shadows. Okay. There's that. And then Sweet and Spicy next to it. Really? They're all the same. They're all the same, guys. They're all the same. Pretty much. You know what I mean? Pretty much. All right, let me get set up. Okay, so we're just gonna go with Flower Power. Flower Power. We're gonna go all over the lid with that one there. Yeah, kind of what I have on already to set everything here, but we'll just go ahead and put that on because we gotta use it. Oh. All right. All right, I like that. I like that. It's like flour. Yep, it sure is. Okay, yeah, it evened out my my eyelid here space, like it made it brighter. So I think I'm going to take Love the Bun You're With, and it's a very, very beautiful shade, guys. That is really, really pretty. I'll give you another swatch. It is really, really pretty. I like that. It's really, see, got a lot of gold flexing in there. Okay, we're going to take that one and I'm taking a very small fluffy brush from Japanesque, and I'm going to put that like on the brow bone area.
Every time you call me, I don't wanna keep you waiting. Why don't you hold me? 'Cause this is what you got me saying.
That is a beautiful color. It really, really is. It's just so sparkly. Look at that gold with the sort of, what is that? It's like an orange or copper, like a copper. Gold and copper. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty. Look at that. I don't know if that's showing up, the way it turns different colors. All right. Love it. And I like this brush too. This is the type of brush I like because it's fluffy enough, but it's really dense, from Japanesque. I got this at TJ Maxx. All right. Now we're going to go into Lick the Spoon, which is this color right here. And I have this Essence brush here. I think this one will work. I don't know. And I'm going to go in the crease on the outer corner and in the inner corner.
This is what you got me saying. This is what you got me saying. Cause this is what you got me saying. Call me. This is what you got me saying. Call me. This is what you got me saying.
Okay. Let's go back into Love the Bun you're with. Okay. Look at my whole hand is covered in that. I'm going to go back, put a little bit back on there. Okay, we're gonna go now into, is it Sweet and Spicy? Yeah, this one right here in the center, Sweet and Spicy, right there. And I'm just gonna go right over that. I know they're not even, and you know what? Hold on a minute. We are going to put a little bit of glitter glue on this one. Yes, we are. Got my Revlon brush. I use this for the glitter glue only because the brush is sort of, it hurts my lids. It's prickly. Okay, so we're just gonna put that there in the center.
Every time you call me, I don't wanna keep you waiting. Why don't you hold me? 'Cause this is what you got me saying.
All right, and now we're gonna go into Sweet and Spicy and see if it helps. Make sure I got the right one. Yeah, Sweet and Spicy. All right.
This is what you got me saying.
So far it's orange, and I've been here before with these colors, but we're gonna go ahead and take Flower Power, just that, whoops, sorry guys, that one right there, and I'm just going to, I don't know if I want to use this brush, but I'm just going to touch it up a little bit. Yeah, it's too big. Hold on, another Japanesque brush. We're gonna go into that Flower Power, and we're going to just touch up around this.
Lately I don't mind staying up till midnight. I got no complaints, nothing doesn't feel right. Every time you call me, I don't wanna keep you waiting. Why don't you hold me? 'Cause this is what you got me saying.
I'm going to take that fluffy brush and I'm going to take some of that flower power off of it. And I'm just going to use that to buff everything.
Lately I don't mind staying up till midnight.
That is it for right now. I'm going to go ahead and finish off. You know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and finish off. We'll come back. We'll discuss. Okay, guys. There it is. There's the eye look. Yeah, cinnamon swirl is what we worked with today. I'm going to get close here in a minute. Those are the shadows. Yeah, I wish I would have got a little bit more. I mean, I got flower power, but I just kind of, maybe that one would have been nice. But it is what it is. You know, here's the eye look is what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and get close already so that we can move on and talk about palette bingo number 23. All right, guys, so palette bingo number 23 was Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And with this one, which surprised the heck out of me, is I ended up using the black a lot. I did maybe 4 looks with the black, and I had fun and I loved it. Now, I was always somebody who would say things like, you know, do they have to put a black in every single palette? Or, I don't know. I just felt like it was a waste. It could have been something else. But no, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Loving that black. And I want to continue to learn how to apply it. Yeah, I did a couple of looks. So why don't we go to the looks now and see those.
Lately I don't mind staying up till midnight. I got no complaints, nothing doesn't feel right. Every time you call me, I don't wanna keep you waiting. Why don't you hold me? Cause this is what you got me saying.
The other look that I created was with the Urban Decay. This is in Midnight Cowboy. This is a shadow I've had now for a while. And ooh, I remember hearing rave things about it when back in the day. And they were talking about this a lot. And yes, this is gorgeous, guys. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm so glad I'm doing this challenge because, man, I'm really looking at my shadows and appreciating them. And you're going to see a look. And then I used the Makeup Geek palette. I think I used that one and that one. And then I put Midnight Cowboy on top of that. And I did use one from the Stila palette, which is not on the list. I believe I used that one and that one. It's not, or this one. It's not on the list because this is in a Project Pan challenge that I'm trying to use up or use most of the shadows, hit pan on most of the shadows by the end of the year. So there's the sneak peek. But let me go ahead and let you see the eye look. That one came out really, really nice. I really like that one. I really, really did. All right, guys. So why don't we go ahead and cross these off the list. Too Faced Chocolate Gold. Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. Makeup Geek Singles. Okay, guys, so that was everything. That is all of the shadows that I used up, and this is the look from the Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette. I like that I got that palette right now because it's the season, you know. It's a season. And then really, really quickly, I want to talk about my lipstick. It's the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Canyon. That's the one I have on. Got this in Allure box when I was doing the Allure beauty box, but got that one. And on top of that, I got the Glam Light from Michaela Glam Light collab. To me, they're oil. They have an oil to them, but they are gorgeous. And I thought this was so appropriate. See that gold? That's what I have on. It's so nice. So I put that on top and it feels so good. It feels so good on the lips. So I want to take this moment right now to say a really, really big thank you. I got some wonderful feedback. I got wonderful feedback on these types of videos. I got that you guys don't mind the longer videos. You guys like that. And also that you really do enjoy this particular one with the palette bingo, where I have to create something out of the 4 shadows that I've been drawn, I've been given. And I really appreciate that. That meant a lot to me that you guys gave me that feedback. And these do take me a long time to do, and they really, really do. But when that comment came in my phone, I remember I was in the kitchen and I told my husband, wow, this makes it all worth it, you know, that somebody enjoys it, likes it. And then I got a couple more comments, and it was just a good feeling. And I just really want to say thank you for that, and for watching and supporting me that way. I really, really do appreciate it. I do. So I'm going to continue these into the new year. I've already tried to see how I can incorporate the palettes that I've already used, and I have a couple ideas. I mean, I'm at palette bingo number 24 with this one, so I'm not sure how many more I'm going to be able to get in by the end of the year, but nonetheless, I want to see how I'm going to incorporate let's say I get to 27 palettes, you know, maybe 30, hopefully. I don't know. That's stretching, but anyway, whatever it is, how I can reincorporate them into the wheel. And I have a couple ideas that I think I'm going to do. So for sure, I'm going to change it up a little bit. Not too much. I'm actually adding a little bit more for palette bingo number 20, or for palette bingo 2024 is what I'm saying. But yeah, you guys inspired me to keep going and to bring it to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for those comments. I really do appreciate it. All right, with that, I will let you guys go. Tell me what you guys think. All right, my friends, I will see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye.
This is what you got me saying.